haven't figured it out yet. I like when things are easy.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And so one of the things I use a lot of these products on, especially, is the BLACKFIRE HydroSeal is my racing rig. You know, it's big, it's white, it's like a massive billboard, and it shows everything. Now, one of the things we have a situation with, it's an aluminum trailer, and it's got aluminum panels that really don't have a clear coat over them. So when you wash the vehicle, and from being out in the elements, you see the oxidation almost. You see it looks very flat, looks very plain, it doesn't have any pop. So what I like about the HydroSeal is it almost gives it like a clear coat finish to it by simply spraying it on wet. And I honestly just let it air dry, and the results I get are pretty amazing. I know that's probably not the right way to do it, but I'm amazed at the results you can get in literally just minutes.
Well, I think you hit it on the head. It is super easy. It's probably the easiest way to protect your vehicle after washing it. And then also on bigger vehicles, like what you were talking about with the rig, yeah, you will almost have no other way on a time frame, right? Unless you want to get up on ladders and get up and get down. This right here, you wash the vehicle, you spray it on, you rinse it off, you're done. You could towel dry it, but best, if you ask me from a professional, is to use a blow-in device.
Okay.
This right here, this will help tremendously because now you're not touching the vehicle, so you're not creating any friction to the surface that may induce any kind of micro marring or scratching or anything like that. However, this product being the easiest to use, you spray and rinse, and that's it.
No, could you use like a hose attachment, like an air compressor if you had one in your shop? I mean, do the same type of thing, blowing it off?
You can. It's going to take a lot more effort.
Right.
Yeah, and you know, and again, with some of these air compressor systems, if you don't have the right filters on them, you could end up blowing out some of the oils and things like that if it's not monitored right. Okay. So, you know, a blower device or a traditional drying towel is going to be your best bet. But the fact that it's super easy, that's the key, right?
Oh my gosh. And well, so how long will it last, you know, the finish you get with the HydroSeal?
This is something that lasts a couple months easily.
Okay.
And what I like most about it is this could go on any surface, whether it's pre-existingly protected with a wax sealant or coating, or it has no protection. It will give you the protection you're looking for and give you the gloss, the slickness, and the repellency characteristics being hydrophobic, and it makes it amazing.
Everything he said, and it's easy.